Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the Dongfeng Forthing T5 EVO. It is the new car available on Croatian market. It looks so good. The sporty SUV, split headlight design, massive grille on the front, and if we move on to the side, 4 meters 56.5 centimeters is the length of the car. Of course, I filmed the car during the day as well, so you can watch that video on my channel already. But now let me show you the strong appearance from the rear as well, with these strong shoulders and the beautiful taillights. I mean, just look at it. This is so nice. We also have the dynamic indicators, and we can also open the tailgate here. So if I press the key, there we go, the tailgate opens. 480 liters up to 1480 liters when you fold the seats. We can also close the tailgate by just pressing the key. There we go. And we are ready to go on a night drive. Look at this, the nice ambient here. You have the dual screens, so more details as soon as I enter the car. So let's go. This is the view in front of the driver. Let's start the car. There we go. And you see the layout here, so the dual screens, 10.25 inch each one, and the lovely ambient lights here. And let's start with the specifications of the model in our video. So this car has got 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged Mitsubishi petrol engine. It's producing 130 kilowatts, 177 horsepower, and 260 newton meters of torque. It is paired with this 7-speed DCT, which is the 7-speed dual clutch transmission from Magna Steyr, so the Austrian company, and it's a great combination. And you have a very nice smooth drive, so it's a nice combination of engine and transmission, and you will see now during our night drive just how nice and smooth this is. So the layout here, digital cockpit is the 10.25 inch one, and then this is also the 10.25 inch screen with the infotainment system. Now the view that you see here is quite cool. So you have the revs on your left and the speed on your right with this graphics, but you cannot change the views here. So this is the one view that you get. And it's nice to know that we have the switches for the AC. So here is where you control the temperature, and then you have also the view on the menu as well. So we adjust the temperature right now here, and then the air blower in this section. So that's always nice, and a very easy way to do it. Of course, tell me in the comments, do you agree? There are also some physical buttons on the steering wheel itself. And what do we have here? Lots of traffic. All right, we can go now. Quite relaxing sound of the indicator. Tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts? And this is the ambient lighting, and it's sort of like the wings, nice graphics, and actually changes the color during the drive itself. So I quite like the purple one. It used to be purple a few minutes ago, and I think it will be again in this drive. And next to the gear selector, you have the drive mode selector, so the button actually. And there are 3 driving modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. You can see here, for example, the Sport. When you are in the Sport mode, you have the best throttle response, of course, and also the high revs, the changes of the gears. You can also go here to the manual, and now you can change the gears with the gear selector here, but let's put it to drive and just enjoy this night point of view drive through my hometown of Zagreb. And today I am filming a bit earlier than usual, and as you can see, we do have traffic around us. Sometimes I film at 2-3 a.m. and then we have nobody around us, but yeah, today a bit earlier. And here in the middle, when you open it, you can then attach the phone holder, so that's also one convenient feature. And yeah, as I said, it's just been launched in Croatia like a few months ago, so it's completely new, and people stop you in the middle of the street to ask you which car is this, because it really looks amazing and it looks so futuristic. And now you see also very nice and smooth changes of the gears, and yeah, well, there we go. You can definitely enjoy the drive in this one. And also I think it's very practical because at the rear you have so much room. So I filmed the full review of the car during the day, and you can see I'm on 1.87 m, and when I sit at the back I have plenty of room left for my head and for my knees, so that is really good. And yeah, I want to hear your thoughts. And now when we are stationary, I can also show you the central console here. So the USB port, storage area, here are the switches for the AC, and yeah, the cup holders and the storage room here in the middle. And also quite a nice sound of the engine on higher revs. The car has got 4 exhaust pipes at the rear, the real ones, and they look so cool. And it's definitely not something that you see these days on modern day cars, so it's a big thumb up from me because it gives it so much presence on the road, and so do the split headlights on the front. So if you want to see more exterior design details, you can watch my full review during the day, but today's focus is the night drive itself, and I want to take you along on this experience and show you. So now let's put the sport mode. There we go. So you see, the sound is so good. Now if you want to connect the phone, there's this phone link, easy connection. So use USB to connect, then enable on mobile. So you need to download the app, and then you can have, for example, navigation from your mobile phone to this screen. And then there's also the Bluetooth connection, and of course multimedia and radio. There are also settings here, so I covered all that in my review during the day. The ride comfort is very good, and the car has got multi-link at the rear axle, so that means we have good driving dynamics and also a nice comfortable drive as well. And you may notice that when we stop, the engine does not shut down, so this car does not have the start-stop system. I personally usually turn off the start-stop system, so I don't know, tell me about yourself. Do you miss this system, for example, in this car, or would you turn it off anyway? See the nice ambient light. Now it's green. and now it's purple. So you see, this is the one that I was talking about. Looks very nice. So the model in our video has got the exclusive trim, and it is the only trim available in Croatia. So you get it like this, fully packed with various options. As you can see, we even have the panoramic sunroof on this one. So it's up to you to just choose the color, and that's it. You have such a nice package overall. The big wheels, the panoramic sunroof, the dual screen layout here, this ambient lighting in here as well. And yeah, overall nice package. The price is 29,990 euros. So I want to hear your thoughts on this car, and thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe, as there will be plenty of more to come on the channel. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye. And let me just add that the driver's seat has got the massage. You activate it by a press of a button here, and it immediately does the job, and it's a very nice and pronounced massage. So I'm gonna enjoy it now.